You know, something I've learned, guys, about contractors, they always tell you, I'm going to be done in XYZ date. Never believe them. Never believe them. All right, guys, so I'm going into this property. I haven't seen it in a couple of, I don't know, week, maybe 10 days. And this property I showed you guys before, this was the failed flip that I purchased. And I can tell you that it has not been as easy as I thought. It never is though, guys. It really never is. You know, you go into a deal and the ones that you think are gonna be easy, the rehabs you think, and this doesn't have to do anything with flips or not flips, it doesn't matter. Even when we're buying a product that we're gonna rent, we you know, the ones you think is going to be easy, they just, there's always something, right? You just got to have the right mindset and be ready to roll with whatever comes. And this one's no different. This one appeared a certain way, right? When you looked at it from the surface, hey, it's a blank canvas. They've painted, they've done this, they've done that. And then you get into it and there's plumbing, there's this, there's that. And this has had a lot of this and that. But anyways, come join me. Let's go check it out. We've done some things. Let's look around with me. Okay, guys, here we are. You guys remember how this was? Remember we had a whole bunch of floors stacked up here. This door wasn't in. This was wide open. Let's go here first. Let's look around. Oh, shucks. I almost broke that light. Okay, let's look around. So we created a laundry area here. Right here, we got to put a door here. There's some materials in here. I guess that tub is not in. Yeah, you know, something I've learned, guys, about contractors, they always tell you, I'm going to be done in XYZ date. Never believe them. Never believe them. They're always overzealous in what they say they're going to do. Bathroom. Boom. Look at this bathroom looking sharp, baby. Look at this. Nice. Really impressed with that bathroom. Okay, you guys remember this was all wood, corner around there. Nice, nice floor. If you guys remember the kitchen, this was closed off. We opened it up. Countertops are semi-in. Right? Let's turn on the lights here. Let's see what this looks like. Look at this, guys. We're waiting for the dishwasher, should be coming in, I guess, next week. Stove coming in next week. Here is the fireplace area. We put new doors there. This place is looking really good, actually. I'm really impressed. It's looking sharp. Kitchen's looking good. Waiting for appliances to come in. Here is the dining room, because remember, guys, this was closed off, so you had to go around this way to get to that room. So still some touches here. We've got a window we've ordered that was broken. We got the glass being repaired. So you had to come around this way to get in this room. So instead what we did was we opened up in there so it flows and you got that open floor plan. And let's go upstairs. Let's take a look upstairs and see how that's looking. So here, these walls were painted beige, if you guys remember. We have doors that are going in, they gotta be painted. This is, I'm gonna call this the master. They still haven't built this door, they gotta build a door here. It kind of spooks me because the fascia's not out there and we got flying squirrels here in the Poconos and they can come in. So I'm going to close this door to avoid a squirrel or running into a raccoon or some shit like that. I don't wanna do that. Bedroom, that's finished. Bathroom. My guys, look at this bathroom. Nice. Looking sharpy sharp. Beautiful. So these guys said that they was gonna be done this week, and yet you're seeing all the work that's left, right? The bedroom, and at least they don't have the freaking all the thermostat fired up, the heat fired up all the way to 100 degrees there. Contractors are notorious for that. So what's my lesson here, guys? My biggest lesson, my biggest takeaway in this flip is never underestimate the rehab, right? Never underestimate when a house has been sitting vacant Man, and even for as long as I've done this, still learning, right? And sometimes I forget things like this that remind me, right? Never get too comfortable, never get too complacent, never think you got it figured out. This one, while I thought it was a light rehab, it was not a light rehab. We got in here, a lot of the electrical was done, but we had to redo a lot of the electrical. We had a water issue, we had to deal with that. We had a plumbing issue because the plumbing was all jacked up. We had to deal with that, right? We had to plumb things the right way. And although on the surface it appeared to look good, it appeared to be easy, it was not. Let me know what you think about this house, about what I learned here. You know, flipping, one thing I like about flipping is fun. Flipping is, it's exciting to me because you take something ugly and you turn it into something beautiful, right? Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Leave me a thumbs up in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let's unpack this one if you like it. If you think we should do something different, let me know. Really appreciate you guys. Peace out.